Oh, hey guys, welcome to our home. It's been about 8 months since Hurricane Helene. This is kind of what we're left with. So we're super excited to get started with the next stages of demolition. We had over 44 inches of flooding, so we needed to do the initial flood cuts. That being said, we're finally excited to kind of start rebuilding and start making this home our own. So come on, let's do a home tour so you guys can see this before and after, which is going to be amazing. Starting in the formal living room, this is where we're going to have our main entertainment, which is going to be our couches, our TV. We had just moved into this house. We never really got to use this room. So we're really excited to be able to design this space in a way that's very welcoming, very warm, as it is the entrance of the house. The way we have a bedroom on this side, which was actually used as an office. Same with this one down here. This was also used as an office, but it is another bedroom. This house was built in the 1950s. We're not really sure what this era bathroom is from. Pink tile with the wallpaper. I don't know, you tell me. This is gonna be a space we're gonna start from scratch on. I'm gonna have you guys help me pick all the finishes for this house, all the tile, the flooring. I really need your guys' input on what we should put in here and how we should design it. All right, now entering the kitchen area. As you can see, there is nothing left of the kitchen. We did kind of make some tweaks to the design, so I'm gonna show you guys that in our upcoming videos so you can see how it's going to all lay out, but it's gonna be really cool. Coming over to this corner, this is actually what we call the sunroom. We actually had put a projector up here. You guys will see that. We'll bring it back. It's very cool. But this is kind of just where we chill, entertain, had our couches. This was actually one of my favorite parts of the whole house. This is where I would put my herbs and flowers so they would grow, and it was so cute. I'm so sad to see this go. All right, follow me to the primary bedroom. This room is actually one of the biggest in the house. It is abnormally large because it used to be a garage. We're gonna make a couple tweaks, including giving me, yours truly, a bigger closet, which is very cool. All of this is connected to the primary bathroom, and we absolutely love this bathroom. It was a little bit outdated, but she is still super cute. It was giving spa vibes. Check this out. This is a huge shower. We are kind of going to restructure this as well because we really don't need a shower this big, but we're really excited to kind of make it our own and update it a little bit. It will be very cute. All right, so here we have the laundry room. We do have to take out this checker tile, but I am planning to replace it with a similar checker tile. I do want to keep the look that was in this house, and it's absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna be keeping this, but just updating it a little bit.
That's all for today's home tour. Make sure to subscribe to watch all the new videos coming out each week. Next up will be demolition and showing the updated floor plan, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. See you next week.